Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. For this episode I have a 2021 Toyota Sienna hybrid. Let's do some floor mats. On this 2021 the floor mats they're in okay condition, but let's see if the new floor mats they're gonna cover more. You can see floor mats all the way around. Let's see the new ones can cover a little bit better, and the new ones are from OEDRO. This is the before and that's the after. If you can see, it covers more all the way around than the stock one. Covers a little bit better on that area. And like always, these OEDRO floor mats, they're not gonna have odor. They're gonna be odorless. Fitment is gonna be just right. They're not gonna crack with cold or heat, so they're gonna last a lot longer. And now it's in place. Plus, they're gonna be easier to clean. Passenger side. Better coverage all the way around. Here on the rear, let's do this one first. If you see on this kit, it's not two pieces, it's only one piece. The only problem, it doesn't lock in place. But once you put the other one, it's gonna match the other side, so dirt is not gonna go inside, because the original is two pieces, small one and big one. This one is only one. And this is the one in the middle. And now, because it's gonna be only one piece, it's gonna cover more. Once you put the one in the middle, slide it in, and it's gonna cover a little bit more. This one has this little carpet on the side, but this new mat, it has this on the side, which is better, covers more. Yeah, this OEDRO definitely is better, covers more, covers really good on that area all the way around, and it's only one piece. Now when you put this one on, it's gonna match to this one, and it's gonna be under the seat, so dirt is not gonna go in. And there you have it. The installation is complete. Definitely these floor mats, they're better fitment. We just need to wait until this goes down, and it's gonna fit just perfect. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for these floor mats. 2021 Toyota Sienna. This is the hybrid model, and if you can see right here, it matched perfectly with the other floor mat. Fitment is just great. And this is the old ones. Definitely these ones, they're gonna be much better, easier to clean. Dirt is not gonna go inside because there is not two pieces. Link in the description for these floor mats.